Hi, welcome to Fit Me Recipes. Today I am sharing no corn flour, no cream, healthy veg soup recipe that can be enjoyed in dinner or lunch and perfect in your fitness journey. So let's get to the recipe. For making this, add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil in a pot, then add half sliced onion, ginger half inch, garlic 2 cloves and half chili. Saute all them until they become translucent and fragrant. Now I am adding 1/4 cup of roll oats. Why roll oats? Because they are less processed, high in fiber and protein-like properties, make them a healthier option than those instant ones. Roasting it's a very important process because it reduces the content of phytic acid for better assimilation of food. Now it's time to add the goodness of vegetables. Add carrot, bottle gourd, also known as Loki or Ghia. Now into this I am adding tomato. You can use any other vegetable of your choice. Now I am adding capsicum. Make sure the vegetables are in season. Now pour 200 ml of water. These vegetables rich in various nutrients. Turn the flame to the lowest. Bring this soup to a boil and after 15 minutes of simmering, open the lid and add salt, oregano and season it with some crushed black pepper also. Last but not least, squeeze lemon. Now your simple and nourishing soup is ready to serve. Serve it hot as my advice. Your nutritious, healthy and filling healthy veg soup is ready to enjoy. If you loved what I shared, please drop your comments in the comments box and subscribe to my channel. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.